Exodus 38, it's the finishing of the Mishkan, the temple of God.
Right.
And as they finished it, everybody did their part. Now, I'm reading this. This is the same week that Russia is attacking Ukraine.
Yes.
Listen to this prophetic word. And so I'm reading it, and it says in Exodus 38 that God counted everybody who did their part over the age of 20.
Right.
And it was 603,550 people. And when everybody did their part, 603,550 of them, the power of God fell to the point that Moses couldn't even minister. The shadow of God came down. The fire of God came down. And I'm reading this and I'm going, where did I see 603,550? I'm going, I just saw that. And it dawned on me, I saw it on the news. They showed a map of Ukraine. Now listen to this. The map of Ukraine, the square mileage, the square kilometer, I think it is, of the landmass of Ukraine is, and I went and looked it up, and we can pull it up for you, 603,550. And I realized that God was saying something. Listen to me. This is the time. This is the time. Pentecost, Shavuot. Listen to me.
Amen.
This is the time that God opens the windows of heaven, pours you out such a blessing. He rebukes the devourer. He rebukes the enemy that comes against you. But it's the time, and we forget on Pentecost, that God brings the power of God, signs and wonders and miracles. When everybody in Exodus 38, everybody, all 603,550 of them did their part. Some did great big things. Some did smaller things. But when everybody did their part, one of your favorite scriptures is where there is unity,
there's the outpouring of God. He
God
promises
commands his blessing there. That's one of Tiz's favorite scriptures. This is a word from God.
Amen.
Those who have eyes to see, let them see. Those who have ears to hear, let them hear. Listen, every year God opens the windows of heaven 3 times a year. This is beyond special. This is God speaking now. In ancient Hebrew, there's no word for coincidence. But also in modern Hebrew, whenever you see the words
by chance,
you turn those letters around and it says only by God. This is not by chance. This is by God that you're watching. God is ready now, folks. As we reach out and literally save this from modern day Holocaust. We've saved Jewish lives. God says, when you save one life, I see it. I see it. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Sitkanu, Jehovah Mekadesh, Jehovah Shalom. I see it as if you saved the entire world.